Gentlemen, are you tired of your mediocre backyard barbecues? Sick of unevenly cooked dogs? Then buckle up, because today we're deep diving into the VEVOR 18 Hot Dog Roller Grill. This beast packs a 1,050 watt punch, rolling 18 dogs across 7 stainless steel rollers. We're talking commercial grade power for your next tailgate or man cave cookout. Dual temperature controls let you dial in the perfect heat, ensuring every hot dog is cooked to its golden perfection. Check this out, a side storage box for your buns and condiments and a removable shelf for easy servicing. It also includes, just to keep things clean, an oil dip tray to make cleanup a breeze. We've been talking a lot about food, you've been watching me cook it. Let's go see what I thought of it in real life. Alright, let's check these out. Alright, let's give this a shot. Oh, I'd like to say it's the machine, but this hot dog is amazing. But the machine did a great job with the hot dog. If you want one, there's a link down here. Grab yourself one, otherwise it's in the description. Remember to like, subscribe, don't eat with your mouth full, and I'll see you in the next video.